The picturesque town of Beelitz is renowned for its historical old quarter. With many architectural monuments, it has a special charm all of its own. Beelitz's famous landmark and centerpiece of the historical ensemble in Beelitz Heilstätten is the heating and power plant, which with its 40-meter high water tower overlooks the entire site. This section near the train station has been developed with single-family homes. Within the community, there are many artistically designed houses. The Sanatorium, a massive hospital complex built in around 1900 to fight tuberculosis among the lower classes, is also one of Beelitz's pride. This collection of buildings can be reached with good connections in under an hour outside of Berlin. By taking regional train from Berlin Hauptbahnhof towards Dessau Hauptbahnhof, you will reach Beelitz train station. From there, a 10-minute walk north along Straße nach Fichtenwalde to the entrance is possible. Tickets are at 17 euros for adults, 15 euros for reduced price. On September 11, 2015, the first three-top walkway in Brandenburg was opened on the grounds of the former Women's Lung Sanatorium. It was initially 320 meters long and was extended to over 700 meters in 2020 with the addition of a circular walkway. Barrier-free access to the walkway is provided from the tower via an elevator. The place was once a treatment center, a military hospital, an illegal rave site, and finally a film set like The Pianist in 2002. Today, the ruins serves as a museum with a three-top walk, making it the perfect destination any time of the year. The best way to see the sanatorium is from above. The 700 meters long three-top path will take you quite literally through the trees, with the nice panoramic vistas of the Chirurgie or surgery building and a look at the rooftop jungle of the Alpenhaus, where the overgrowth of greenery has created a natural shield from bad weather in the remains of the building below. Once you are on the top of the viewing tower, you will be amazed by the beautiful panoramic view. You will enjoy a moment of tranquility as you watch the vast expanse of trees towards the horizon. If the weather is nice, stop for a rest on the enormous hammock-like net that stretches high above the forest floor. So if you're around Berlin and looking for a perfect side trip adventure, Beelitz is the right place for you. So pack your bags and enjoy your short-time day off with nature. I hope that this video will help you appreciate the place even more. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, choose